Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different ideas for the space under the stairs. Certainly, here is a bit difficult to manage this space, but we will give you some ideas that can help you to manage this space for the best use. Number 1. Storage closet. Customize the space with built-in shelves, drawers, and hook is perfect, neatly organizing items like shoes, coat, cleaning supplies, or even a vacuum cleaner. Number 2. Home office nook. Install a floating desk or a compact fold-out desk. Add built-in shelves or cabinets above or beside the desk for storage of office supplies, files, and books. Number 3. Reading nook. Make it inviting with a comfortable chair or small sofa cushions and good lighting, and add built-in bookshelves or wall-mounted shelves for a personal library. Number 4. Pet nook. Incorporate a cozy bed for your pet along with storage for their toys, grooming supplies, and food bowls. Consider adding a small gate or curtain for privacy. Number 5. Wine cellar. Install wine racks or a small wine refrigerator. Ensure proper insulation and climate control for wine storage. You can also add a tasting area with a small table and chairs. Number 6. Mini pantry. Customize shelves or cabinet to store dry foods, goods, canned items, or kitchen appliances. Consider pull-out shelves for easy access to items stored in the back. Number 7. Playroom. Use colorful and kid-friendly storage solutions such as bins, baskets for toys. Add a small table and chairs for activities, and consider a chalkboard or whiteboard for creativity. Number 8. Closet extension. Install hanging rods, shelves, and drawers to maximize storage space for clothes, shoes, and accessories. Consider using the space for off-season clothing or items rarely used. Number 9. Home gym. Choose compact exercise equipment like a folding treadmill or wall-mounted weights. Install mirrors to create the illusion of a larger space and enhance the gym atmosphere. Number 10. Art display. Install adjustable track lighting to highlight artwork. Use shelves, picture ledges, or wall-mounted systems for displaying a rotating selection of your favorite pieces. Number 11. Decorative shelves. Experiment with different shelf shapes and sizes to create an aesthetically pleasing display. Consider incorporating plants, framed photos, or decorative objects to enhance the visuals. Tailor each idea to your specific space constraint, style preferences, and functional needs to make the most of the under-stair area in your home. Hope you'll find this video useful for utilizing this space in a maximum good manner. If you have chosen some of it, then must share with us through comment. Thank you.